First bite of carrots, Monday, February 22nd.
Yeah, that's not quite as good as that squash.
Your mom said carrots are sweet. He didn't seem to mind it.
First bite, he just didn't like him. What about it?
Carrot lips.
All you needed was a couple of days off.
Yep, he took the weekend off because he got really upset on Friday. Keeps trying to jerk his hand up, but we're not letting him. We need restraints.
I made a mess of your face.
My distraction.
Just a light.
Could be quick.